420 Things Grow in Ontario. Back at you with another unboxing. So there's two items that I've purchased on Amazon. I've purchased stuff on Amazon from this company before. So what you got here is the only real, the glare there. It's really only marking on it that would tell you what it is. So not that big, very small, you know, an inch by whatever, half an inch. And then another label on the side that just talks about the FBA, the person who's doing it, and whatever it is. So this is the company that's actually making this. But anyway, so as you can see, I've got a bubble bag washing machine and a set of bubble bags. So this is from BUBBLEBAGDUDE. I will put a link into my description because I found that there's many different combinations of these things, and for some reason some are more expensive than others. There was a separate link for the bags, which are here. I'll pull these out and we'll see what micron bags we got, and a separate link for the washing machine. Together as a package was more expensive than buying them separately. So I'm not 100% sure what's going on with that, but anyways, that's how it works. So I'll make sure I give you guys the proper link, so if you guys are interested in this, you can get it at the rate that I got it at, which is, again, cheaper for some reason separate. So the bags are in here. I don't really want to cut this open too much, so I'll just rip it open here. So what we got in here is, well, just a little bit of, those for the kids, don't like popping those. Yeah, a little carrying case. And it says right on it, Bubble Bags, waterproof new. So anyways, so, get this out. Box out of here. Well, I guess it comes with a sticker. Guys, the logo. Here's the sticker. Yeah, it's a sticker. Put it somewhere, I guess. Comes with this little card, some information, and it comes with a 5-gallon .25 micron bag. Each bag is colored. And like I said, I've seen these bags are fairly decent. A friend of mine has these, and he's gone through them, and he's used them quite a bit with no failure. So that's why I went back with this company. It seems to be decent enough. A 25 bag, a 73 micron bag, a 120, a 160, this is a 25 sheet there for putting your stuff down on some cardboard and drying it out. And last but not least, the 220 bag, work bag. So anyway, so I'm going to do a video later of how I'm going to make this stuff, do some extractions. There's a bunch of different ways to do it. The bottomless bucket way is probably the best way to go, to let it drip through instead of sitting in the water. So be on the lookout for that video. It'll be after this, clearly, because I'm just getting it now and unboxing it now. So yeah, that's it for the bags. Put these off to the side. Now on to the second item, which I will. Again, it's really big. It's supposed to be a 5-gallon capacity. Alright, so first away, in the bag, open it up, styrofoam protection, that looks good, plastic covering around the machine, it's also good, and down in there it looks like some more styrofoam down at the bottom. So let's get this out and out onto the table. All right. Plastic covering off. Alright, so we got the machine here, we got a lid. Oh, here we go. We got the 25, or what is this one? No, it's a 220. 220 work bag. Pull this out real quick. I don't know if I'm going to use this. I'm going to try it. Once I get it done. Oh, another sticker. Another sticker from the Bubble Bag Dude. Oh, another card to tell you what to do if you have any issues. So anyway, so here's a 220 bag that you can put all your material in, right? And just kind of put in the machine so that it doesn't come out. Excuse me. I like I said, I don't know. I'd like to see the difference between using this and then not using the 220 bag in the buckets. See how that'll work, because if it was me, I think I'd want the material to be moving around in the washer as much as possible to get it to do what its thing is, right? So anyways, wash machine, little information packets. Yeah, open this up in a minute. Here's a drain hose, it looks like. A little rubber on one, or kind of a seal, another one. I've seen some videos of people using these. Oh, there's a little just troubleshooting here. Make sure it's not spinning, work properly. Excuse me. So yeah, we'll see how that works. But I've seen some people using these. You know, here's the drain. First thing I see as I go, oh, it's one of those corrugated things. Can't stuff get stuck in there. So I think I'm going to replace this tube for sure. Not only that, I grade how it has got a nice little hook here and whatever, and then you can just drain it out once you're done, right? You just drain it out into your buckets, boom. But what I've seen is a lot of people have issues with is filling this too full, and then, you know, once it's too full, like filling it to about here somewhere, because once it's here, that's the level there, it starts spinning and starts going. I don't want to have that problem. I want to be able to fill this thing up to where it is and have its best chance at doing it. So I'm going to look underneath here. I'm going to pull it apart. I don't know how I'm going to pull it apart. I'm going to get in there and see where it goes. But once I pull it apart, maybe I'll do a video on that, because I want to replace that tube. I want to take this out and give it something else. I don't know how that's going to happen. I'm going to have to pull it apart. I don't know if there are any other videos out there of people doing it or not. I just know I don't like that, and I want to put an end on the top where I can cap it and maybe a valve or something and just release it. Go from there. So that was the one thing that I seen in a lot of videos when I was buying this, is people using it, is that becoming an issue. That drain hose becoming an issue. So I don't want that to be an issue. So anyway, so it's got Bubble Bag Dude logo on here. It's got a timer, just like a manual tick 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 timer, so it'll run for that long and then shut off. So yeah, pretty straightforward. Oh, more stuff in here. Thank you for the purchase. We hope you get tons of your product. For any questions, contact us directly. Perfect. So it seems like they are good for certain things. So I guess that's the drain hole there. It's got some, don't let a bunch of material through. So yeah, I don't know if I need to run this in there. I think it would take up a lot of room, the ice and the water and stuff. So anyways, pretty straightforward. Came through, doesn't look damaged, everything looks good. There was a hole in the box, but it was still good. So yeah, so all it is a washing machine with a drain. Hopefully it's going to make making bubble a lot easier. Alright guys, so that's it for that. All of my stuff here. I'm going to shut this video down. I don't know if I'll add it to this, if I'll create a new video. I don't know how much work it is to get that bottom off and redo that, but I think I'm going to want to do that. I don't like that hose. I really don't. Don't like the spill ability, and also this is a smaller hose. I wonder if what's going on here. Oh, is that something that goes here? What's going on? I don't know what this hose is for. I'm gonna have to look in the instructions and figure that out. But it's another corrugated hose too. I don't know if it's meant to elongate that or go somewhere else. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is the bubble bag washing machine and bubble bags themselves.